Second video today, getting the Yamaha golf cart spring replaced. Recall, got a letter in the mail, of course it was in the newspaper before that. Village's golf cart, who I think you should buy a golf cart from. There's other places and they'll say they're overpriced, this, that, and the other, but this is the kind of thing you get. Most people came to Villages because they want it to be smooth, simple, well organized, and that's what life is here. And it goes right down to your golf cart. I mean, these guys have it down to a little science. You pull up down this way, the guy does a prep, move the little mats out of the way, gets it ready, and then they get it to here, and the actual installer gets his little tools out, does his thing. These guys are all trained, they work for the Villages. You can see
box on board. Box have all three? Come here, Randy.
they're gonna keep doing this till the money flow stops. The lines get super short, and then they'll go to normal business at their store, which is right over there, the Everglades area. And it'll be like normal appointments. This is a quickie service. All right.